Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Minecraft on PC. So without any further delays, let's get right into it. So on this URL section we could see we simply have to type minecraft.com and enter it. As we could see, we just landed on Minecraft website. So I had a lot of options for sign in, get Minecraft, and we have to scroll a bit down. And we could see here on the support that just right here there's a download option. So I'm simply going to click on there. And here's another option that download launcher for Windows 10 or 11. I'm going to click it there. And here we could see it's downloading right here. So we have to wait for a bit until it get downloaded. So we could see it just got downloaded. So we have to double tap it right here. And we could see here's an option for installation. First, you have to tap on this little box that I have written accept the Microsoft software license terms, which I'm going to type and tap and just install this right here in the green font. So guys, it's downloading. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. And please don't forget to like and subscribe and also comment down below if you have any queries.